Hi guys! Kakarating ko lang from Jai and there are stuffs that I wanted to share. Kaya nagbi-video ako ngayon kasi I want to tell you what happened today. So I was with my Taiwan tour for Jai experience and in the morning, mga 8 a.m. yung HSR namin. And then from the HSR, meron na kaming tour bus going to the temple in Jai. And then sa temple, meron sila mga special na mga parts doon na pinakita. And since hindi naman ako Buddhist, so I just enjoyed the walking tour. So from the temple, dumiretso kami sa market. Sa market, marami mga stuffs na inintroduce sa amin na bago. And then, we were made to try a very special beverage sa Jai. Tapos yung beverage na yon may lemon, merong Sprite sa loob, tapos, meron pang ibang ingredient, pero hindi ko tinry kasi it's iced. And since I have GERD, so hindi ako pwedeng uminom ng malamig. Lalo na sa Jai na medyo mainit kanina pagdating namin. So, for my safety, hindi muna ako uminom. And then, we went to another store. Tapos, yun na, meron na silang pork jerky dun. So, I got this. Hindi ko muna kinain, pero sabi nila masarap. Para makita nyo talaga. Yan. So, this is the first gift we had. And then, the next spot was the art museum. So, from the art museum, sa katabi niya ay isang napakagandang at isang unique na restaurant. So, yung restaurant na yun, medyo may kamahalan. For one person, you'll be able to pay like between 400 to 600 minimum. Okay lang naman. Kakaiba yung presentation. I think meron siyang indigenous people na influence kasi yung presentation niya somehow like in Hualien and in Taitung yung natry ko. After ng lunch, pumunta na kami sa Literature Museum. And syempre along the way, meron kaming free water para hindi tayo ma-heat stroke. So, binigyan kami ng isang pack na ganito from the Literature Museum. So, let's open it kung anong nasa loob kasi sobrang bigat niya at nahirapan ako talagang bitbitin to from Jai and then HSR and then MRT. Pero talagang pinagpaguran ko to para mapakita ko sa inyo. And yung sa loob nito ay mga small items. Tapos, ito yung nire-recommend nila na dapat itry mo if you go to Jai. Hirap siyang buksan. Yun lang yung problema. Hindi ko mabasa sa inyo kasi it's in Chinese. Spicy. It looks yum. Traditional na candy dito. It's so nice. So, yung address kung saan mo pwedeng mabili, nandito sa likod. Ayan. So, isi-share ko na lang siguro sa Facebook ko. Rosong. Siyempre, masarap yan. Ilagay sa bread. I have 2 packs. This is original flavor and this one I think may special flavor siya. Traditional na snack dito sa Taiwan. It's so cute. And then this is so heavy. Oh, this is noodle. Iba't ibang kulay. Japanese style na noodle. Ito pala yung mabigat. Iba't ibang kulay, iba't ibang flavor. So meron siyang pumpkin, meron siyang sesame, and marami pang iba. Meron ding sweet potato, meron ding egg, o diba? Inside this pack, ganito karami. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have this, and this. Pagkatapos sa Literature Museum, we went to the Tile Museum, and we have this gift. Sobrang cute. So, ito yung gift ko. Ito yung binili ko. Pero, hindi ka pwedeng bumili nito kung wala kang pinurchase na ibang item. So, I bought this. 100 each. Akala ko 50. Hindi ko naintindihan pala yun. Meron pala akong discount na 50 from my ticket. So, this is 100 each. And then, tile design na washi tape. And then, I bought this for 100 NT. Sobrang ganda. And then, this is my gift. Yeah. So, finally, we went to Smart Hot Pot and it's my favorite kasi mahilig ako sa fish head na hot pot. fish head. As in talagang translation yung fish head. So, binigyan kami na to. Information ng restaurant nila. Isa talaga kami ng ganito. And then, we have a special token. And then, we got this card. And this can opener na napaka-cute. Tag-isa kami. As in, sobrang ganda, no? But the point is, guys, sobrang sarap ng hotpot nila doon. So, if you want to have a good meal in Jai, you should go to Smart Hotpot. Okay, so that's all. See you next time.